have just forgotten to record the
And
class.
6D also, sir.
6B also. Okay, so I'm recording it. Yes. Now it shows you are being recorded. So what said 5?
5B.
5B. Okay. Here you will be 5, not it is 6. Okay. So 5B is over here. Okay. Here also you will be multiplying. I'll make it little bit bigger. This is a multiplication itself. Might may that your answer had not matched. Yes. Or you don't know itself how to make.
Good morning,
The
sir.
answer not match.
Okay, no problem. Let's see. Either my answer and your answer matches or not. Or my
Which
answer
question you
matches
are
with
solving, sir?
5B. So here it is minus x by 3. So with minus x by 3, this whole it will be multiplied 2y by 9 plus 3y cube by 5. Okay. And again with plus x cube by 9, it will be multiplied 2y by 9 plus 3y cube by 5. Okay. So now you will be multiplying, of course it will become minus 2 xy by 27. Then after plus minus minus 3xy cube by 5 3 is 15. Okay, 3 3 it can be cancelled also, no problem. In next we can cancel 3 1 is 3, 3 5 is 15. And then after plus, here it will become 2x cube y by 81. And then after plus, okay, it will become 3 3 is 9, it will be cancelled. So I will be writing directly x cube y cube by 15. Understood? I have just cancelled this 9 and 3. 3 3 is 9. So 5 3 is 15 it became. And after that, if I will see, is there anything like? There is nothing like. So this will only become answer. Okay. So you can write finally answer as it is. You can write, or you can arrange in descending power or ascending power. Okay. xy cube by 5. Is this not the answer, Nancy? And even other students can see the answer. Is it matching?
So which question?
This is 5B. Okay, let me sit with the book also then. There is book.
Yes, sir. Match, sir.
No, sir, not match.
Okay. Answer matched or not matched?
No, sir, it is given 1
So
by
which question
5,
is you are solving, sir?
1 by 5 it has been given. What? 1 by 5 what? 5B it is Astha of exercise 6.1.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So as I can see here 5B you are saying, yes, 5B.
Sir, answer is minus 1 by 5x cube y cube plus 2 by 81 x cube y plus
Okay,
1
1
by
by
5
5
x
it
y
has been
cube.
given, yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Minus 1 by 5.
So no problem, answer is wrong then in that case. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any more doubt?
Sir, 6D, sir.
6D. D for
Yes, sir.
Darbhanga or B for Bengali Tola? 6D you are saying, yes. So I will be coming towards
Yes.
6D. That is 7 by 2 B square minus 12 by 7b plus 5 by 8. This one questions you are saying, yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it is page number 81, is it? No, this is page number 80.
Sir.
No, no, this is
Yes, I got the answer.
here. I can see, yes, 6 it is showing over here. So up to 6 is here, and 7 from where it is started then. 6 answer up to here. 7 answer. Okay, here answer patterns are also a little bit different. After 6, 7 comes here, yes, in next page. Okay, 2a79, yes. So no problem. Now I am sitting with the answer key also. You are saying 6D, yes.
Yes, sir. D number.
So let's see now 6D I will be multiplying. Okay, okay, okay. Will be adjusted over here, yes. Then after I'll just drop this all. Okay, here also what we will do is with binomial we will multiply trinomial. So with 3 by 2b we will be multiplying this 7 by 2. Okay, 7 by 2. Okay, I think here it will be different. 7 by 2 b square. Okay. 7 by 2 b square minus 12 by 7 b plus 5 by 8 again plus 1 times 7, 1 this is, okay, 7 by 2 b square minus 12 by 7 b plus 5 by 8. Now while multiplying with 3 by 2, of course it will become 21 by,
4, sir. 4B cube.
yes, 21 by 4 b cube. It is 21, okay, b cube. In same way, this will become, okay, you can cancel also, 2 6 are
My
12, then 6 3 are 18, you can write minus 18 by 7. Are you getting me?
yes, sir.
How
Getting.
it become 18 by
Yes,
7?
sir.
Yes, sir.
b
B
square.
square.
In same way, now here it will not be cancelled, so it will become plus 15 by 16.
B.
Then after with
B,
1,
sir.
yes,
So,
b.
sir,
15
I
by
So
am doubt.
16 B.
B. With 1 it will be same only. So nothing to do, as it is we
Sir,
will be writing. Yes, Astha was saying
can you
something.
listen me, sir?
Yes, I am listening you,
So,
Astha.
18 by 7, how it? Sir, you
Okay,
did
just
a
see.
square, sir, over here. No?
No, not a square. With this below there is 2. So with this 2 and 12 we had cancelled. 2 6 are 12. So 6 3 are 18 by 7. Nothing happened. Even you can multiply 12 3 are 36 by 14 you can write, and you can reduce later on. Got it?
Yeah,
Astha, is
sir.
this clear? Okay.
But, sir, how it became B square? Sir? Okay, sir, understood, sir.
Understood. Now what we will do, we will see wherever there are b cube. B cube I think at only one place there it is. So we will be keeping as it is, because it will not be added or subtracted since it is single. So now if we will see b square, then b square is over here also and here also at
Yes,
two
sir.
places. So what you can do, either you can keep minus at front or plus also at front. Okay, plus I will be keeping, and then after from 7 by 2 I will be subtracting 18 by 7. Okay, b square it will become, and b also it is at two place. So here again I will be writing plus 15 by 16 minus 12 by 7b, and then after plus 5 by 8. Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. After that what we will do is, we will simply do fraction addition and subtraction. Okay, it will be 21 by 4b cube, or even you can write it in mixed fraction also. Then after plus here, when you will take LCM, it will become 14. Okay, and then after 7 7 ja 49 minus 18 to the 36. Okay, b square plus here also it will become 16 and 7 LCM. Okay, it becomes bigger. 16 7 ja, it will become 7 6 ja,
112, sir.
yes, 112 divided by 16 will become 7. 15 7 ja 105, and then after minus, okay, 16 it is, so 16 into 12 it will become how much? 12 6 ja 72, carry 7, and 12 1 ja 12, and 7 19, so 192. So here it will be coming in minus plus 5 by 8. So after this, it can be written the answer, that is 21 by 4 b cube. Here it is, plus is only bigger, so plus will be answer.
Sir.
13. Yes,
How you given, sir, minus 192?
192 by just by multiplying 12 with 16. 12 into 16, it becomes 192. Got it?
Yes, sir, got.
So now here it will become 87, I think. Yes, while subtracting 7 and 592. Yes, by 112 b plus 5 by 8. So this becomes the answer. Is the answer matching?
No, sir, not answerable.
Not matching.
No,
Okay,
sir.
you had made this or you had not made. Without making, you are asking.
I
6d
made,
you
sir,
are
but
saying.
answer
Yes.
not matching.
Okay. This is chapter 6 only, 6d. There it is. Okay, answer it is given little bit different, totally different, not little bit different, totally different.
Yes,
Here
sir.
it is 6a square. Wherever in a question there is no a, so of course question and answer will not match every here. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Almost all answers are wrong only.
Okay, of course, maybe. Okay, most of the answers are wrong. Might have been the writer not reviewed everything properly.
Sir, so
Yes.
why did the school purchase this book to give children? That all answers
Yes,
are
sir. Very
wrong.
idiot type of book it is, sir.
Okay.
Sir, he should give Sir R.S. Agrawal, sir. Very nice book, sir.
Ah.
Or at least give NCRT and NCRT workbooks. So it will help in a ninth class because NCRT will only come in
Of
ninth.
course, this will also help in 9th class. Here, little bit typical questions are over here. Okay, which you should know it, and this is a standard book. Yes, the problem is that of course
And
answer doesn't
NCRT
match.
syllabus is matching only with this book.
Yes, of course, NCERT syllabus. Every
All
private
books are
publication book.
matching
Every book
only,
is
sir.
matched.
Similar type of question,
Yes,
but
Every
every.
book is matching.
Yes,
Then
yes.
who will buy, sir, if it is not matching, sir?
Okay. So now, any further doubt?
The
No,
6
sir.
6
E.
E. Okay. What happened? There also answer not matched?
Sir, answer is not given, sir, of question number E.
Okay. E, F, G, it is not given only. H, I directly it has been given. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So let's see E then. Of course, there also you will be doing multiplication only. Nothing there is extra. Same like D, E will be also made.
which one, sir? A, sir.
E.
Yes, sir. Same question.
Same
Yes.
questions.
So what difficulty you got
Yes,
over
sir.
here?
Same
Let's see.
question.
Of course, here in sum P will be cancelled. There is a little bit difference, but not too much difference. So what we will do when we will multiply? Of course, it will become 4p raised to the power 3. Okay. After that, it will be again here PP, it will be cancelled and it will become 10 by 7. Up and down, this P, nothing below, that means there is P by 1. So up and down got cancelled. And here it will become 10P by 7. Sorry, minus was there. 10P by 7. Okay, after here again it will 4 it will be cancelled, so it will become 4 by 4 5 the 20P square. And here, okay, nothing is cancelled, so okay, it will
Sir,
become
here
10 5 the
5P
40.
square na, sir. 4 got cancelled, then 5P square na.
Oh, sorry. Yes, 5P square. 4 got cancelled. 5P square. So after that, 10 5 the 50 over 28P. And then after here again nothing will be cancelled, so it will become minus 50 by 28. Now if you will see for, okay, like terms, is there any like terms? Only number is liked over there, so number it will be added and other things will be same. 4P cube,
Yes, sir. Only
plus 5P square. Okay, and then after there is minus 10P, P by 7. Now this is written in descending order of powers. Okay, then after, okay, this plus, here numbers will be what? Okay, 10 by 7 minus 50 by 28, or directly you can take LCM also and you can write. And then after,
Yes,
at
sir.
last there will be coming 50 by 28 by P.
Yes. P.
So 7 for the 28 we know. So it will become 40 minus 50,
Yes,
that
sir.
is minus 10 it will come. So you can write 4P cube plus 5P square, okay, minus 10P by 7, okay, plus, sorry, plus not, minus, because bigger is of minus.
Minus, sir.
So it will become 10 by 28 when you will subtract,
Okay.
plus 50 by 28P. This becomes the answer.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir, got.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, P
And
will be
sir,
down,
next,
not
sir.
up. Okay, let me see, okay, either what it has been
Yes, sir.
asked
And
in
sir.
question.
So my answer is different,
Question,
sir.
simplify only. Your answer is different?
Sir, I solved that.
Yes.
Sir, I
What is your answer?
So it is 4P cube and
Hmm.
180P square, sir, and minus 10 by 28.
180P square.
Yes, sir.
How it came 180P square? By which number when it is multiplied? So
No, sir, there is a mistake in my solution, sir, I think.
Sir, I got same answer, sir.
yes, so I think Astha you had made somewhere mistake. You will check. Okay. And even you can take the screenshot.
Mistake, sir.
Yes. So further doubt?
No,
Do all of
sir,
you had
no.
understood this?
Sir, now no doubt, sir. Now,
Yes.
sir, I have
Sir.
solved till question number 9.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, question number 9.
Question number 9. Okay. So all of you had understood this 6E how to do? Yes.
Yes, sir, understood.
Yes, sir, understood.
And sir, may
Okay. Anyone saying anything else also? Yes.
9 is also very easy, sir.
9?
9 is also very easy.
Yes, 9 is also very easy. Of course, I had said math is such subject when you will make, when you will know how to make, then it becomes easy. Until you do not know how to make, it becomes difficult. So it has been said, find the volume of cuboid, whose sides are this and this. So simply we will write, we know volume of cuboid is equal to length
L guna
into
B
breadth
guna H,
into
sir.
height. So you will multiply is
Then
equal to
into breadth
3xy into 2yz into 4zx. then it will become 3 to the 6, 6 for the 24, x square, y square, z square.
Yes, sir. Answer.
Got it?
Yes.
Understood, sir.
Yes. Any further doubt to anyone?
No,
No,
sir. Now
sir.
not doubt. Clear,
No,
not
no
doubt.
doubt. So I
No,
can
sir.
proceed further. Yes.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So now I'll be moving towards next page explanation. Okay. Again, open board has stopped. Okay. So I'll be opening it once again. So So here comes algebraic identities, which even we say as formula also, okay? So if you will see, there are several algebraic identities, okay, which you have to remember or you can say learn. So just see what it has been explained over here.
Yes,
You are
sir. Explained it.
familiar with equation and their solution, isn't it? How to solve the equation, all of you are knowing?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Knowing, sir.
Yes,
Of
sir.
course, I
Going,
am
sir.
referring to few of you. I had taught in 6 also, and there was also what? These things. It means equations were there, solving equations. Of course, in equation, if anything goes from one direction to another direction, then its sign becomes opposite. There is two sides, one left hand side and one
Yes,
right
sir.
hand
Plus
side.
becomes
Both the
minus,
sides
multiply
are
becomes
separated.
divide,
Yes,
Right
sir.
plus will
side,
become
sir.
And
minus,
vice
minus
versa.
will become plus, multiply will be change into divide, divide will change into multiply. And both the sides are separated. That means left hand side and right hand side both are separated with the sign of is equal to, which it has been shown over here. Okay, and it
Yes,
has been
sir.
explained how we can solve. Of course, when you have to solve, then you will keep the variable one side and constant one side, and then you will solve, then you will get. Okay, now there
Yes.
are few identities also. Of course, identities are formed by multiplication itself, but for making our multiplication little bit easier, these identities has been done. Okay, like you can see over here, it is given this and this. So when we solve this, okay, and it has been given also, check the value by keeping 6. By keeping 6, it has been checked and it has been found. Yes, it is right, because for 6 keeping in LHS also it is coming 20, in RHS also it is coming 20. So this implies that 6 is the solution of the given equation. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now it has been said, a equation which is true for all values of variable in it is called identity. Okay. The equation which is true for all values of variable is called, variables in it is called
So it is
an
called
identity. Formula also we say.
identity.
Okay. After this, if you will see here, it has been said algebraic identities are useful in simplifying algebraic expression. As I had said, to make multiplication faster, okay, these identities are used. We will now study three main identities. One is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Of
A
course, that is the
square
product
plus
of a plus
2ab
b
plus
whole square only.
b
Yes,
A
sir.
square.
plus b whole square means a plus b whole square means a plus b times a plus b. That means a will multiply a plus b and again b will also multiply a plus b, and like terms it will be added and it will come RHS, that is a square plus
A
2ab
square
plus b square.
plus b square. That is RH, sir.
Yes, and in place of a and b,
Yes.
any value if you will keep, it will be right only. Like here it has been kept in place of a 2 and b
2,
3,
sir.
and it has been done 2 plus 3 whole square, that means 5 whole square, that means 25. And now by keeping over here, a square is A is 2, so 2 square. Then after 2 into place of A, 2. Then after in place of B, 3. What it has been kept, and plus B square means 3 square. Now 3 square is 9, 2 to the 4, 4 3 is 12, and 2 square is 4. So 12, 4, 16, and 9, 25. What do we see? On the both sides it is coming 25 only. So this is right. By changing this number also you can check it. If you will keep 5 and 7 also, then also it will be matching.
Hello, sir.
Sir, your voice is not coming, sir.
Hello, sir.
Now it is coming, yes?
Yes, sir. Now coming, sir.
Yes, sir, now it is
Yes,
coming,
sir.
sir.
Now coming.
So first number identity clear to everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
It is clear,
Clear.
sir.
So now identity 2 is just the same. The difference is what? Only in middle there is minus. There it was a
Yes,
plus
sir.
b whole
Minus.
square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. And now here it is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay? And this is also simple multiplication only, because a minus b whole square means a minus b times a minus b. Again a will multiply a minus b, and again minus b will multiply a minus b. In that case you will get a square minus ab minus ab plus b square. Of course ba can be written as ab also. Okay. Yes? Are you listening?
Yes. Yes, sir, listening.
Okay.
Yes, sir. We are listening, sir.
So it will become a square minus 2ab plus b square. And here also 6 and 2 it has been kept. If you will see, it will become 4 square 16. And here also in place of a 6. So 6 square is 36. Minus 2 into 6 into b is 2. So b is 2. So 6 for the 6 to the 12 and 12 to the 24. And 2b is square is there. So b 2 square is 4. So it will become what? 36 and 4 40. 40 minus 24 it will become 16. So here also LHS and RHS is coming same. Not only 6 and 2, by keeping any other number also you can check, it will be coming same. Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes.
So
Yes,
here
sir,
comes
clear.
identity number 3. That is a plus b times a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Okay. Here also it is multiplication. Here also a will multiply
This property we
a
have
minus b.
understood, sir. So we have read
Understood?
in chapter number 3, sir. This
Okay.
one.
This one
Yes.
you have read. In chapter
Yes, sir.
number 3
15
also there was.
square minus. Yes, sir. 20 square minus
So here
15
also
square.
it has been multiplied.
Yes, sir.
So see, with a minus b is multiplied, and again with b, a minus b is multiplied. It will come minus ab and plus ab. So these two will be cancelled. So a square minus b square will become its product. And you can verify this by keeping 9 and 5 or any other number also. It will come the same. Okay? Clear to everyone?
Yes.
Now it has been
Yes,
said
sir.
the three given
Yes, sir. Clear.
above are called standard identities. These identities are called standard identities.
Identity.
Now here comes identity 4. That is x plus a times x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. Okay. This is also multiplication, nothing other than that. You can see x multiplying x plus b and again a multiplying x plus b. So it becomes x square plus bx plus ax plus ab. So of course a and b here it is considered as a constant term. Getting it? A and b is considered as constant term. So x taken common and it becomes a plus b. Understood?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
And of course by keeping any value of x,
Sir,
a,
again
and b,
repeat,
it
sir,
will be verified.
this property, sir.
Okay, this property or identity.
Identity, sir.
Of course, this is also multiplication only. It has been multiplied. But in these two, x was common. So, x has been taken common and then it has been written a plus b. Okay. In this way, we can prove if it is said
Yes,
to
sir. It
prove
is
this.
like factorization, sir.
If it is said that prove any one of the identities, then you have to do the same thing. If it is said prove that a plus b times a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, then you will be writing like this: proof LHS, and then after RHS, and you can write hence proved. Got it?
Yes.
And if it is said verify these identities where a is equal to 9 and b is equal to 5, then you have to do like this. Or a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 3, then you have to do like this. Verification by keeping the value will be done by like this, and proving you have to do it like this. Got it?
Yes. Sir.
Okay. So now here it is note. Just say here in note what it has been said. In the identity 4, that means which you had read, x square is equal to, sorry, x plus a times x plus b is equal to x square plus in bracket a plus b times x plus ab, that it has been said. Putting b is equal to a, what we will be getting? Of course, when in place of b, if you will keep a, then it will become x plus a times x plus a, that is x plus a whole square. Okay. So x plus a whole square formula becomes x square plus 2ax plus a square. Even by keeping formula also you can make, or like this also you can make by using x plus a whole square formula also. This is the same as identity 1, right? A plus b times a plus b. Yes, it becomes a plus b whole square. Now here it has been said in identity 4, if we keep a is equal to minus c, then it will become a minus b whole square, which is same as identity 2. Getting it?
Yes, sir. Getting, sir.
Okay, so in same way, here it has been said when we keep b is equal to minus a, then what will happen? Of course, it will become plus a times minus a. B is equal to minus a. So there was a and b. So in place of b keeping minus a, then it will become, of course, x plus a times x minus a. That is x square minus a square. It will come because a minus a becomes 0. So this is
Sir?
same as identity 3.
Sir, but in this, sir, identity 4, there is no any B, sir. But here,
There is b. Of course, there is b. If you will see in identity 4, there is b. See x plus a times
yes,
x
yes,
plus b.
sir, B.
Got it?
Yes.
So it is showing that how all the identities can be formed by one identity, that is identity 4.
Yeah, this one you explained, na, sir. No, sir, one time.
Yes,
Okay,
sir,
one
one
time
time
more.
more
So
explain,
see,
sir.
it has been explained that from identity 4 only, when in place of b, when we keep a, then what will happen? It will become x plus a times x plus a only. Yes, then it will become x plus a whole square. And when we just apply the formula RHS, that is x square plus a plus bx plus ab it was. So now b become a, so it becomes x square plus a plus ax,
Understood.
that is 2ax, and a into a becomes a square, which is equal to the formula identity 1 only, that is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Got it?
Yes, sir.
In same way, in a and b, if we will write let a is also equal to minus c and b is also equal to minus c, then it will become in place of x x plus a, it will become x minus c, and again in x plus b also it will become x minus c, and x minus c into x minus c is x minus c whole square. And if you will see RHS, again there also what will happen? X square plus a plus b times x it was. So in place of a also minus c, b also minus c. So it becomes minus 2cx. And then after minus c into minus c, it will become plus c square. So this is as the formula a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So from
Understood.
this way, we can just compare identities too. In same way, if we will keep if b as minus 1, minus a, sorry. When we keep b as minus a, then it will become x plus a times x minus a.
The second
Yes?
point, sir.
Yes?
Sir, again explain, no, sir, second point. Sir,
Yes,
your
just
voice was
see.
cracking.
In place of this word saying a also minus c, in place of b also minus c. So it will become x minus c whole square. And over here again x square, and it is minus a, sorry, plus a plus b times x it was. So a is also minus c, b is also minus c. So minus c and minus c, it becomes minus 2cx, which it has been written in next step. And then after again minus c will be multiplying minus c, that is minus c into minus c becomes plus c square, because minus minus it is plus and c into c is c square. So when we see this, that is x minus c whole square is equal to x square minus 2cx plus c square. So it is similar to a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Getting it? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now
Yes,
let's see
sir.
the last one. When we keep b is equal to minus 1, minus a, then what will happen? X plus a times x plus b was there, so in place of b there will come minus a, and it will become x square plus a plus b was there, so it will become a minus a only, because b is minus a, into x plus a into minus a. So what will happen? A minus a is 0. 0 into x will also become 0. So that 0 it has not been written, and it has been written x square and minus a square, because minus a into a, it will become minus a square. Getting it? So all three identity can be derived by using this identity 4. Understood? Is this
Yes.
clear, students? Okay, so now we will move towards application of identities. How we are
Sir?
applying identities? Yes.
Sir, in third point, sir, I have solved, sir, that x plus a and x minus a. Then, sir, it is coming x square minus xa plus ax minus a square.
Yes, so minus ax and plus ax, it will be cancelled, then it will become x square minus a square only.
Okay, sir, understood.
Clear? Now there
Yes,
is
sir.
application of identities. You can see, okay, these examples, as time has been completed, so I will not be explaining now the examples, but of course I will be saying you to do, try this section of page number, how much is this?
85.
85, yes. Okay, you will be doing, try this section, you will try to, okay, understand the example. Which example you will not be understanding, I will be explaining you next day, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Sir,
So,
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
yes.
sir, I have completed till chapter